Hello, Sarah here from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing. Welcome back to the ultimate Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We're now moving on to the section of the checklist where we're talking less about the setup and more about the ongoing management. So this is checklist item number 34. And what this asks is whether you are adjusting bids at least once per week based on performance. So a mistake that a lot of people make is that they set up their account, they let things go, and then they kind of just let it go and leave it. Or they might use one of Google's automatic bidding strategies and then think, well, that's fine, and just let it go. In my experience, and from what I've discovered speaking to a lot of people who do this for a living as well, that kind of doesn't work, to be honest. While the smart bidding can work in some circumstances, you need a lot of data beforehand to give to the machine for it to kind of do its magic, and sometimes it will do better than a good manual bidding strategy, and sometimes it won't. But if you're not checking on your keywords or your ad targets in your dynamic search campaigns or your product groups in your shopping campaigns, you're not checking on them, I mean, at least once a week. Depends how much traffic you've got, obviously. If you haven't got a lot of traffic, you might get away with it once a month. If you've got a very, very large campaign and you're spending a lot of money, you might need to do this daily almost. If you're not going in on a regular basis, checking to see how certain keywords, product groups are performing and adjusting bids accordingly. So if it's doing well, you will increase the bids to get more of the same. If it's doing badly, you will reduce the bids, or maybe even pause a keyword if it's spent a lot of money and not had an order. Same in shopping. If you've got certain products or product groups that are spending a lot of money but never getting you an order, then maybe you want to exclude them from your shopping campaign. But if you want to get the most out of your campaigns, you have to regularly go in and look at bids, tweak and adjust and monitor to look and see what's working. So you'll either for an e-commerce site, you'll want to be using what we call ROAS, return on ad spend bidding. So you'll look at what you've spent, what revenue that's generated, and you'll sort of based on what your target is, which might be 400%, 600%. If it's above that, then you want more of it. If it's below less than that, then you obviously want to reduce your bids so that you don't pay as much. So it is vital that you regularly go in and check and adjust your bids based on the performance in the account. And if you're not doing that, then you're really not going to get the results that you are expecting, and you could well be wasting a fair chunk of the budget that you're spending. So that's today's checklist item. I hope it's helpful. Don't forget, if you've got any other questions or comments, please stick a comment below the video here on YouTube. And I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel as well. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.